Hello friends, welcome back to Rahul English Study. Today we are going to discuss about 20 questions for TGT English Literature and other English Literature associated teaching exams as a practice set 42. Let's start. Question number 1. Desire Under the Elms was written by Arthur Miller, Hemingway, O'Neill, Tennessee Williams. What will be correct answer? Desire Under the Elms was written by O'Neill. Option C will be the right answer. Next question. Wuthering Heights was published in 1835, 1842, 1847, none of the above. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be 1847. Wuthering Heights was published in 1847. Option C will be the right answer. Next question. Who among the following is a Cavalier poet? Herbert, Keats, Pope, Donne. What will be correct answer? Herbert among the following is a Cavalier poet. Option A will be the right answer. Herbert. Next question. Thomas Chatterton died at the age of 16, 17, 18, 19. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be 17. Thomas Chatterton died at the age of 17. Option B will be the right answer. Next question. At what age did G.B. Shah die? 91, 97, 94, 99. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be 94. Option C. Right answer. Next question. Whom does the following refer to? His wife was gentle and the elements so mixed in him that nature might stand up and say to all the world, this was a man. Brutus, Antony, Caesar, Cassius. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be Brutus. Option A. Right answer. Next question. Augustine, aware of the parallels of their writing to Latin literature given to comparing London to Rome, and in the case of Pope addressing George II satirically as Augustus. These lines are the reflection of Romantic age, Augustan age, Victorian age, Caroline age. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be Augustan age. Option B. Right answer. Next question. Who states these famous lines? And miles to go before a sleep. Robert Frost, Robert Browning, Rudyard Kipling, P.B. Shelley. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be Robert Frost. Option A will be the right answer. Next question. Who states that poetry is the application of ideas of life? Matthew Arnold, Watts Dutton, William Hazlitt, P.V. Shelley. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be Matthew Arnold. Option A will be the right answer. Next question. A lovelier flower on earth was never sown. This line contains the figure of speech, hyperbole, implied simile, oxymoron, metaphor. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be metaphor. Option D will be the right answer. Next question. The parts of speech in which things are described as more or less better of worse than they are known as oxymoron, hyperbole, onomatopoeia, apostrophe. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be hyperbole. Option B will be the right answer. Next question. Simplicity, sweet music, and melody are remarkable figures of satire, epic, ode, ballad. What will be correct answer? Simplicity, sweet music, and melody are remarkable figures of ode. Option C will be the right answer. Next question. Arnold's Thyrsis is example of lyrics, elegy, sonnet, ode. What will be correct answer? Arnold's Thyrsis is the example of elegy. Option B will be the right answer. Next question. Which is defined as a rhymed lyric, often in the form of an address, generally dignified of or exalted in subject, feeling, and style. Ode, lyric, sonnet, elegy. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be ode. Option A will be the right answer. Next question. Who defines poetry as the suggestion by the imagination of novel grounds for the novel emotions? John Ruskin, Shakespeare, William Hazlitt, Coleridge. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be John Ruskin. Option A will be the right answer. Next question. A wordy attack upon some person, a bitter and violent criticism is related to dialectic, epigraphy, diatribe, none of these. What will be correct answer? A wordy attack upon some person, a bitter and violent criticism is related to diatribe. Diatribe. Option C will be the right answer. Next question. Semantics is a branch of sociology, philosophy, psychology, or philology. What will be correct answer? Semantics is a branch of philosophy. Option B will be the right answer. Next question. A one act play usually given in the beginning of a program before the main plays. Crisis, interlude, curtain raiser, give it. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be curtain raiser. A one act play usually given in the beginning of a program before the main plays curtain raiser. Option C will be the right answer. Next question. A song sung at the burial or in commemoration of death is known as dirge, empathy, diatonic, hamartia. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be dirge. A song sung at the burial or in commemoration of death is known as dirge. Option A will be the right answer. Next question. The word essay means to make an attempt. From which word has it been derived? Assize, as essay, essays, essays. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be assize. Option A will be the right answer. So friends, I hope you enjoyed the learning about 20 questions. Like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.